twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Come on, sing twinkle. How I wonder where you are. Up, 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 away so high. Come on, let's sing. Like diamond in the sky. She's already kissed. Come on, let's sing twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. Come on. She sang very good yesterday. Jessica, yesterday she sang, oh my God. Come on, let's sing twinkle. Twinkle. You gotta let, that's how she sing, because this can't say the word. You go, da, 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 da. Oh my God, I couldn't believe it. So beautiful, she made a noise like that. Just like that, twinkle, twinkle. I said, oh my God, wait a minute. She sing twinkle, twinkle. I think that's how I got that. She's the one to bring it up first. You know, I thought I have a bird parrot. When I went to see the doctor, the lady's doctor, she asked me, did he talk? You teach him to talk? I said, no, she teach me to talk. He teach me to talk. That's what I mean. I learned a lot from him too, from the bird. You go, da-dee, da-da-da. Oh, she makes so beautiful noises. The guy just like it, like the twinkle, twinkle. She just picked it up by herself. Twinkle, twinkle. Come on, you gotta sing twinkle. She want to dumb it out. She go, That's what I tell her. No bite, no bite. No bite. Hi. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Parrot.
Hey,
Get up.
quit that.
No. Yeah. She said, I told you, she's so funny. She dropped a ball when she said stop. She knew I'm gonna say that. She said it. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh. Let's sing Twinkle. Come on, you can sing Twinkle. Can you sing? Can you sing Twinkle? Come on, let's sing. Twinkle. My God. Let's sing Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. I couldn't believe this bird. It's like a person to me. It's like a person to me, this bird. Okay, give mommy a kiss. Thank you. Let's sing Twinkle. So Jessica, did you sing Twinkle? Come on, let's sing Twinkle. Boy, she sings very good, Jessica, that Twinkle. They go, da-dee-da, oh, like that. Really pretty. She make a sound just like that. You know, she can't say the bird, but she can't say the word, but the bird. But she make a tone just like that. It's so beautiful too. This bird can sing. They can sing. I love it. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. I love you. Say, I love you. I love you. Come on, let's sing Twinkle. Can you sing Twinkle? Come on, let's sing. Oh. Sing Twinkle. Twinkle.